Hi everyone, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. So, let's get to it. What do you guys think the alarm is? Comment down below what you think it is, and make sure you post the timing of the video too, so I know you didn't cheat. Alright, you ready? Let's do this. Let's see what this alarm is. So I'm guessing this is the instructions, and it has the screws in there as well. Okay. And then we have this. So, what could it be? What's the actual alarm? Well, that's right. It is System Center's new L series, the P2RL. Check it out. Sweet. This is great. And it's multi-candela. What's that set to? I don't think it's... Oh, right there. Don't know how well that's going to focus it, but... So, the candela is 15. Let's set that to 185. Just by going here. To there. Well, anyways, it says 185. It also has a multi-tone feature, which is also really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.